Part 2 is coming next with handbags, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. I want to thank all of you that have stuck by me in the last year and helped me grow my channel. I very much appreciate it. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, an amazing new year. I wish nothing but the best for all of you. Happiness, health, lots of laughter, friends, and just an amazing year to come. Guys, the next item I received was something from SPADE. I love their boxes, the pink and black. And go ahead, guys, open these up. And they did have a big sale going on at MacArthur Glen, the outlet mall here. They were up to 75% off, which is amazing. Let me go ahead, guys, and get these out of the packaging. So, guys, here is what they look like. Look at the glitter and sparkle on these. Just gorgeous, guys. Let me remove some of the stuffing. And it does have Kate Spade on the front of them. It's got a little bit of a round toe kick on the front. It does have a soft grip on the bottom here with a small heel. And it does have a very cushioned inside, leather on the inside there, guys. These ones are in a size 6 and they fit amazing. They're not too tight on the toe. They're just gorgeous, guys. Look at the glitter. How could you pass up that? Anybody that wants glitter can't pass that up. Let me go ahead and take the other one out of the packaging. There we go, guys. I just love them. What do you think about those, guys? Anything that glitters. So guys, the other thing was from VERSAGE. Comes in this beautiful box. Look at the color, guys, of that. So you see where I'm going now with the colors of the shoes? Let's go ahead, guys, and open this up. And it does have the VERSAGE tag. It does have the information on the bottom there if you guys are interested at all. It is 100% silk and made in Italy. Look at the vibrant colors on that, guys. Is that not stunning? I just love it. It is gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at the center with the traditional VERSAGE. I just love this, guys. This is just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I cannot wait to wear this one with the shoes coming up in spring and summer. It's just gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Such detail. I did get something else from FURLA. And this is my first ever gift or handbag from this brand. And it comes in this pretty drawstring bag. And it's a nice feeling fabric. And this is what I got, guys. Look at the color on that. This is a pebble leather. Just gorgeous. No pockets on the back. There is one large pocket here on the front. Put your cell phone in, drop your keys with a magnetic closure. And it is a crossbody. And it does have the adjustable strap there. Love the leather, guys. Let me go ahead and take the stuffing out of the center. One large opening compartment there with also a slip pocket there with also your care booklet. And it is in that gorgeous, gorgeous color to match the scarf and also match the shoes. Just love it, guys. Just beautiful, beautiful item. Another bag from FURLA, and this one I have already posted on my Instagram channel. Once again, the nice drawstring bag. And I really like the shape of this one. This is in the beveled leather as well. The shape is really, really nice. It's a good size. This one did come in 2 sizes. This one is the small. There was one that was quite a bit larger. It did come in this black. It came in a really nice soft blue as well as a like a light brown. So that is this, guys. Let me go ahead, and this does come with a crossbody strap. Let's remove this. There's a small handle, guys. You can carry it like this. You can put your arm through it such as that. Let's go ahead and look at the inside. So this is the inside, guys. One large compartment there. Another compartment here with a small slip pocket. I really like this bag. I think it is gorgeous. It does have a little bit of a snap closure there, and it does come with the crossbody strap. It is still connected. There is the ring to connect it here to the side. There is the strap, guys. It does have adjustability there. I cannot wait to use this, guys. It is another beautiful bag from FURLA. Does have the really nice grommet detail there on the front. You don't always necessarily have to have your bags that are really high-end from Louis Vuitton, Chanel, so on and so forth. There is other brands out there that are more affordable with just beautiful leathers as well, and really, really nice design. Third bag from FURLA. Big dust bag again. And I had a hard time choosing, so I let my husband choose the colors. This one did come in a beautiful gray, this green, a tanny brown, and a black. So I went with this one. It is the beveled leather with the FURLA on the top with the matching grommets. This one has suede on the sides, which is really, really nice. There is the back. There's no pockets on the front, none on the back. There is no feet to this bag. So let me go ahead and take off the stuffing. Love the color on this. The leather, you can smell, is unbelievable. So guys, on this strap, it is full leather as well, fully adjustable. The hardware is in like a light gold. There is the connector still with the plastic on it. It is a handheld as well as a crossbody. The inside of this one full compartment with a large slip pocket. It does have a magnetic clasp on the front. And the interesting thing on this one, which I just noticed, has a zipper compartment. And it is the length of the bag itself. There's the care instructions inside. I just love this little bag. The smell of this, guys, is amazing. So if you haven't gotten any FURLA products yet, There is a FURLA here in Vancouver near our airport at the MacArthur Glen outlet. This is where these bags were picked up. The leather is just amazing, guys. Quality. I love the stitching on it. I love the handles. Most of all, guys, my favorite colors are green and pink, so you can see where I'm going with this, why I wanted these gifts for Christmas. Just love this, guys. Beautiful color, beautiful quality bags. So, my next item is, now this item I was not gifted. This item I picked up for myself, and they were having a, I think it was 30 or 40% off sale on the site. The one that I wanted was sold out, unfortunately. So this is my first piece from Strathberry. So let's go ahead, guys, and we will open this up together. Strathberry on the front of the box there. Love the boxes. And here is the care guide. There is how it is wrapped. So like I said, this is my first piece of Strathberry. It does come in this little tote bag, which is really, really nice. So the color, guys, that I chose is this one, in this beautiful brown color. It's showing up lighter on camera. It is a little darker in person. It does have the 4 feet on the bottom. Let me go ahead and take the packaging off. Look at this little bag, guys. Is that not stunning? I love the gold bar detail. I like the one handle. I like things that are a little different. So you just slip the bar over top, and then it is a magnetic closure. It does come with this beautiful chain. We'll get to that in a second. There is the opening, guys, with one pocket there, one large compartment, fully leather. It does come with the magnetic closures. As you can see, it's just automatically drawn to each other with the Strathberry logo on the front. And like I said, it did come with the crossbody chain. Really, really good quality chain. I like the leather detail on the top so it doesn't dig into your shoulder. Let me go ahead and put these on. I really like the Strathberry. They are made in Scotland. Just love this little bag. Look at that. I do have my eye on the green one and the pink one, but that is such a gorgeous little bag, guys. So I received, and I'm pretty lucky, 3 FURLA bags. This one for myself, a couple pair of shoes, some little odds and ends, which I'm very appreciative of everything that I received. Guys, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care. Till next time.